My name is Jasmine Dean. My friends call me Maya. February 27th, 2020 was the last time anyone ever saw me. My last known location is Bull Bay, St. Thomas, Jamaica, where I'm from. I was on my way home from the university that I attended in Kingston. Despite my disability, I was diagnosed with glaucoma since I was 2 years old. On that day, I was wearing a white top and blue jeans. I lived on campus at the university, but recently moved back to Bull Bay because of financial reasons. I leave school late sometimes because I stay back to do schoolwork. I hardly have internet access at home. My on and off boyfriend Tio, who is a soldier, would drop me home from campus sometimes. But he has a baby mother who is jealous of our relationship, so we stopped for a time. I also have a friend who would travel with me sometimes, but on that day she wasn't available. On the night of February 27th, 2020, I left campus, went to the bus stop, and waited for what felt like hours. Many buses passed me. A man approached me. He was a vendor. He stopped a taxi for me and I got in. The taxi driver said he was about to stop working and that he would drop me in Papine. My family got worried when they saw that I didn't reach home yet, so they called me. Wong called me and I calmly told him that I was in a taxi and to tell Tio to call me. Those were my final words. When hours passed and I still wasn't home, they called me again. My phone was now off. Somewhere between arriving in Bull Bay and heading home, I would never be seen or heard from again. Please, don't let my memory fade.